Hello friends, today I'll tell you why night meditation is so important for us and how it can impact our mental health as well as our physical health. If you are someone who has trouble sleeping at night, you are lying on the bed but you are not able to sleep and the chain of thoughts are continuously bombarding your mind and you are continuously going on thinking on stuff that have happened throughout the day, then you need to watch this video till the end. So I will tell you my experience, what happened to me when I started doing night meditation. 4 or 5 years back, when I used to come from office, I used to be really tired, and whatever had happened in the office, whatever work I had to do, and whatever remaining work that I was going to do the next day, I used to think about all those things a lot, and there were some family issues also. So, those things used to play on my mind a lot. And due to that reason, I was never able to sleep comfortably at night. I went to bed on time, but I was not able to sleep on time. But when I got into spirituality, I started meditating in the morning as well as before sleeping. So, this habit of meditation before sleeping improved a lot of things in my life, mentally as well as physically. So, what happened is when I started meditating and when I did it for at least a month, I saw the differences. Whenever I went to sleep after my meditation, I never had so many thoughts in my mind and I was able to sleep comfortably because my mind was calm and peaceful after that meditation session. Due to this, I used to wake up really fresh in the morning. There was no hangover, there was no stiffness in my mind, in my body. I did not feel exhausted in the morning, and that is how I was able to carry out all my activities in the morning very comfortably and very calmly. The focus in my work increased, and I was able to finish all my tasks on time. So, this was the major difference I found in my daily life and my routine. And as I fixed these things, eventually the sleep also got fixed. So I was able to sleep instantly when I went to bed. And this is what happens till now. Say, suppose I don't meditate for a week or two due to some reason. If I'm not able to meditate at night, the sleep cycle gets disturbed again. So, although the disturbances are not as major as it used to be earlier because I'm still into this habit of meditation. Say, suppose I skipped my meditation at night due to some reason, then I will actually feel the difference the next day. And that is why, whenever I miss my meditation session, I really feel like I have missed something today. And this feeling is not good. You can also try the same thing in your life if you are facing such issues. Now, I'll tell you how you can start with this. So, whenever you are going to bed or whenever you are trying to sleep, before you go to sleep, just try to sit in crossed legged position and keep your spine straight with closed eyes. Take 3 deep breaths, and after those 3 deep breaths, just let your breathing happen automatically. You just need to observe your breaths. You don't need to breathe by yourself. So you just need to observe your breath, and whenever you will do this, you will see that thoughts are popping up in your mind. Your attention will go towards those thoughts. And when you realize that your attention has moved towards those thoughts from your breath, you'll bring it back to your breath. And this is the exercise you have to do during meditation. Do it for 5 minutes if you are starting out initially, and gradually you can increase the time. When I started, I did it for 10 minutes, and now I can easily do it for 30 minutes, or if I have more time I can also do it for 1 hour. So that is how I do it. And if you are starting out, you can do it for 5 to 10 minutes. You can set an alarm and you can do this. This exercise will help your mind calm down. Whenever your mind will have a thought or a chain of thoughts, you'll be able to determine that your mind is thinking something. And whenever you will see those thoughts will vanish, and automatically your attention will come back to your breath. So this is the process you need to follow while you are starting out meditation. And that is how you will do your night meditation. So I'll request you to try this out for at least a week to see what effect it has on your sleep cycle and your routine. And if you have not seen my earlier meditation video, you can watch that video over here. That's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.